My name is Rachel Avila. I'm going to 10th standard and I'm from Creative School. I got to know about Anveshana through my school. So they told me about this program and I was really fascinated about hearing it. And then I applied, really shocked and surprised that I got selected. When I went through the website, I found all the projects. First when I read through it, I didn't understand a thing, but then when I got deeper, when I researched about it, I found it very fascinating and interesting. So I really wanted to experience this with a love for science. Research is going well. It's a lot of big scientific things to learn, but since I have my interest, I find it very interesting and I'm enjoying here. This has been a very inspiring journey for me. I have got to learn science through hands-on experience, which is exciting and meaningful to me. And I'm really grateful to my mentors for creating such an enriching environment for us to learn. So yeah, and the project I'm working on is isolation, screening and optimization of protease enzyme, CpG2 in bacterial strains. I like how it's going. Sometimes we have trials and errors, but I have learned a few things so far since it's been a long, almost 2 months. So I've learned to observe carefully and ask questions. So when I came here to actually learn about all this was really big for me. So it was challenging for me to start from the minimum to getting to know about it. But with my interest for science, I overcome this challenge. It's a very inspiring and it brings in the curiosity in you. Some people, when they're just doing stuff, they don't know why they're doing it. But here, when you're doing something, questions arise that why am I doing this? What is this for? And another thing is, here you're free to think and ask questions, especially when you're doing experiments on your own. They give you a deep understanding about it. And Prayoga has not only deepened my love for science, but is grow as a learner. The thing I learned is, so even when we are doing our project, when we find some new discovery or some new thing, it just gives you that joy. And I've learned that through experiment and through this science, you get that joy inside you. And I've also learned a lot of patience because we have a lot of trials and errors and we have to repeat stuff, do the same thing. So sometimes it gets overwhelming, but I've learned to overcome that. My actual goal is to become a pediatrician. Even through medical science, we have to question stuff and then get an experience of why is it so. So I think this experience will help me to become a good doctor in the future. My mentors, they have given us the freedom to ask questions and think by ourselves. They make us think. They don't just tell this is this. They make us think about it. They make us question about it. And they try to make us come up with the conclusions and why is it so. So my mentors have helped me in that way of critical thinking and giving us space to ask questions. Yeah, I'm really grateful.